In this video, we'll start creating the bill of materials and set up a new report style. We need the bill of materials to look like this. The most optimal way to create a custom table is by using the report functionality. It allows you to create a bill of materials that meets your requirements and is linked to your documents. Go to the Management toolbar set. Click Create Report. Select the method. If no objects are selected, the Select All up to the specified level option is enabled by default, and the level is set to 1. This means all objects of the first level will be included in the report. Components of subassemblies will not be included in the report. Since you have no subassemblies, you don't need to change the method. You can also choose the method to include all components of any level or only manually selected objects in the report. Then, select the object types for the report. All. Now, we need to adjust the report style. You can find 2 default system styles in the drop-down menu, by default and by all properties. We'll create a new style using the by default style as a template. Select by default, click the gear icon. The report style dialog will appear. In this dialog, you can specify properties that will be displayed in the report. Click Insert column to the left and select Position in the Property drop-down list. In the final column, replace the Mass property with Material. If you have created an unwanted column, you can delete it using the Delete Column command. The remaining columns are the ones we need. In the column name field for the first column, type the column name. Enter the names for other columns the same way. Note that you can move columns by selecting a column and using one of the special commands. Specify sorting, first by item number, then by the part number, and then by the part name. Leave the grouping parameter as default for all the columns except Material. For Material, select Coincidence. This means that all items with identical property values will be grouped into a single row. If you select Sum, the property values will be summed up in this column. It's likely that in our case Sum is selected only for the quantity property. Of course, the grouping parameter makes sense for more complex assemblies than the one we are working with now. Next, let's set the column width. The first one, 15, 25, 60, 15, 55. Adjust the alignment. The style alignment is based on the text settings of the document where the report is inserted. Turn on the Wrap option if you want word wrap in the report fields. The Merge Cells option merges adjacent cells if they contain the same values. You can adjust additional report settings using the Layout option. Use the Header command to adjust the header of the report table. I'll wrap the names for some columns. Enter the new style name in the Style Name field. Let's call it My Bomb Style, for example. Click Save Style to Library to use the style in your future work. To save the style, you can either select an existing library or create a new one. Let's create a new one, My Library. Note that if you want to create a new library in the System folder, you need to start KOMPAS-3D as an administrator. I have not started KOMPAS-3D as an admin, so the system has not allowed me to add a new library. Let's save the style in the folder where the assembly is saved. Enter a name for the new library, My Library, or any name you prefer. The system informs that this file does not exist and prompts you to create it. Click Apply. The new style name appears in the Style field. Now you can select this style for creating reports in your drawings. I'll show you how to do this in the current document. Select Other in the drop-down list. In the Report Style List Settings dialog, click Add. Find the library that contains the style you need. Check it. Check the style on the Styles tab. Now this style is available in the Style drop-down list.